Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to my kitchen. In the kitchen today, I'm gonna be making a seafood boil my way, the Jamaican way, no other way. Like I said, it's my way. So you probably do it different. Somebody else probably do it different. This is my way. Yeah, my way, the Jamaican way, my way. So I'm gonna be using some crab legs. I have some potatoes right here. I have some corn. I have some shrimp right here. Some scallion. I have lobster here. I have some crushed red pepper, some Old Bay, paprika, lady dash, and some cayenne pepper. Yep. And I have some zeterans, crawfish, shrimp, crab ball in bag. So I'm gonna start off with that zeterans. Actually, I put it in here to boil already. The flavor is so good. I put it in to boil and ready, and then I'm gonna put my lobster in. It's already cleaned and everything. I'm gonna put this in there. My lobster. I'm gonna put that in there. Let it boil. I'm gonna put it together with my crab because they're both take the same time with boiling. It's already cleaned, already washed and everything, so I just want to put it in there. Yep, put everything in there. Yeah, you're gonna put that in and let it boil before you put the potatoes in. You're gonna put your scallion in. I put scallion in mine just to give it like a little bit of kick. I put some scallion in and I leave it there to cook. Then I'm gonna be putting some of the seasonings in there to give it a nice flavor while it's boiling. And then afterwards I'm gonna put the shrimp and the corn and the potatoes afterwards. Okay, the shrimp is pretty easy to cook, so I'm gonna put that in last. I'm actually gonna put the potatoes in and then the corn, then the shrimp. That's how I'm gonna do it. Putting in my potatoes. Like I said, I didn't use the red potatoes. I just use these regular potatoes. I just actually use the potatoes that I have at hand. So I'm gonna put those in. Okay, so it's actually coming to a boil. So I'm gonna put the corn in. I actually washed them already and everything, so I'm just gonna put them in there so that they could boil. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna put the shrimp in now. Put the shrimp in. Mix it all up. Okay guys, so I'm all done. I actually transfer it into this container. I make the sauce and I put it on it. I have to do a next video of how I made the sauce, but this is the finishing product. Yes guys, so that's my version of my seafood boil, how I make it my way. So this is my ending product of my seafood boil. I'm gonna do a next video and let you all see how I make my sauce. So that's it. Yummy. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to make a comment too if you like it or you don't like it at Shav_China Girl. Bye.